Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about economic activities of the people. Industry is a process by which the raw materials are changed into finished products. Many raw materials are fit for human consumption. This transformation of commodities from one form to another form is the essence of manufacturing industries or secondary group of economic activities. Arrival of science and technology helped man to fabric raw materials into finished products. The economic strength of the country is always measured by development of manufacturing industries. Therefore, any country in the world is basically depends on effects of growth of industries for its economic development. Now, we are going to learn about what are the economic activities. Economic activities, an action that involves in the production, distribution, consumption and service is an economic activity. Basis of economic activities. The following are the major and fundamental economic activities. First one is primary activities, raw cotton production. Secondary economic activity, spinning mills. Tertiary economic activities, trade and transport. Quaternary activities, banking sector. Quinary activities, judicial sector. Economic activity is an activity of providing, making, buying or selling commodities or services by people to satisfy day-to-day needs of people. Any activity that includes manufacturing, distributing and utilizing products or services. Primary economic activities. Primary economic activity involves sourcing or extracting natural resources from the land or bodies of water. Natural resources are those that occur naturally or not man-made. Products that are harvested or extracted that can be directly consumed without being processed or converted into another form. Fruits, vegetables and other agriculture and animal produce. Products that are harvested or extracted but cannot be directly consumed without being processed. These products are used in other industries as raw materials and are processed to produce finished goods that can be used by people. Example, cotton is raw material that cannot be used directly but can be processed to produce clothes. Similarly, wood cannot be used directly but can be used to build furniture and housing. Among economic activity is a type of operation or industries that involves extracting or refining natural resources such as mining, agriculture, forestry and fishing. These economic functions deliver the raw material for other industries which further refine and develop these materials into products to sell the consumers. Next one is secondary economic activities. Secondary activities are those that can raw material into usable products through processing and manufacturing. Bakeries that make flour into bread and factories that change the metals into plastics into vehicles are examples of this sector. Generally takes the output of the primary sector and create finished goods suitable for use by other businesses for export or for sale to domestic consumers. Many of these industries consume large quantities of energy and require factories and machineries. They are often official that light or heavy based on such quantities. They also produce waste materials and waste heat that may cause environmental problems or cause pollution. Examples include textile production and car manufacturing. Manufacturing is an important activity in promoting economic growth and development. Nations that export manufactured products tend to generate higher marginal GDP growth, which supports higher income and marginal tax revenue needed to fund quality of life initiatives such as healthcare and infrastructure in the economy. The field is an important source for engineering job opportunities. Next one is territory economic activity. Territory economic activities are those that provide essential service and support the industries to function. Often it is called service industries. This level includes transportation, finance, utilities, education, retail, housing, medical, and other services. We are educated by schools since school is doing service. It comes under territory activity. Economists have found that a nation's economy grows and develops, the territory sector become larger in the primary sector that produces raw material shrinks. The service sector is now the largest sector of global economy in terms of value added and is especially important in more advanced economies. The territory industries provide services as well as operational framework for business operations. This can include organizations involved in the shipping and transportation industries such as railroads and trucking, where sole focus on process of moving goods. Quaternary economic activities. Quaternary activities are associated with the creation and transfer information, including research and training. Often called information industries, this level has been dramatic growth as a result of advancements in technology and electronic display and transmission of information. Example, we watch television. The programs are telecasted from television stations. It is an example of quaternary activity. It is extended model. Quaternary sector describes the knowledge-based part of the economy, which typically includes knowledge-oriented economic sectors such as information technology, media, research and development, information-based services such as information generations and information sharing and knowledge. Culinary economic activities. Culinary economic activities refers to the high level of decision making processes by executives in industries, business, education and government. This sector include top executives or officials in the field of science and technology, universities, healthcare, etc. Our parents purchase household articles and make decisions by themselves in some situations. Similarly, the Council of Ministers take decisions to introduce various people welfare schemes in the state. These two are examples of culinary activities. The culinary sector is the part of economy where the top level decisions are made. These include government which passes legislation. It also comprises top decisions makers in industries, commerce and also education sector. Culinary activities or services that focuses on the creation, rearrangements and interpretation of new and existing ideas, data interpretation and the use of evaluation and new technologies. The highest level of decision makers or policy makers performs culinary activities. Thank you, students.